Hello everyone, welcome to the session. In this session, we are going to discuss how we can use the Kibana queries to monitor the logs efficiently. First, you need to start the Kibana and Elasticsearch, which I already did. You can see this is my Elasticsearch already up and running, and this is my Kibana already up and running on this port number 5601. Now let's open the Kibana interface. This is the Kibana interface URL. It is running on 5601. So this is interface. You need to click on the discover. Now you have to select the index from this drop down. You can see there are three index at the moment. So I want to monitor the data, or I want to monitor the log of demo CSV index. So I have selected that. Still the data is not coming because my data is old and I have only selected the last 15 minutes data. So I'm increasing the time range. I'm selecting the last 5 years data. So you can see I have data in this index and total documents are 15. Now let's see how we can perform the search. This is the box where you enter your search query. In this session, we will see the open search. Means we will not enter the field name on which we want to search. We'll just write the terms or keyword without using the field name. That search would be applied on the all the custom field present in the documents. Let's see the single word search. Let me open one of the document. You can see this is the this is basically this index contains the book data. So name of the book, publisher, subject, and author. I want to get all those documents which contains the keyword programming. शिवा बेटा यहाँ नहीं करो परेशान, पापा जी को डिस्टर्ब नहीं करो. That's all for this session. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. So let's type the programming. Press enter. So you can see programming. You can see programming is being highlighted and total counts are 15. So total documents are also 15, means in all the documents this programming term is present. This is the single word or single keyword search. Also it is not case sensitive. So even if you are writing in capital letter, you will get the record. Total records are 15 and it is also highlighting the programming which is in the small case. Let's see the multiple keyword search. Multiple keyword search is separated by the space. So let's press the space and then write your next term. I'm writing Java. How many documents? 15. So what does this means is, what this query is telling? This is telling get all those documents which contains the programming word or Java word. Internally, Elasticsearch, or we can say Kibana, is split it into two words, programming and Java, and it will display those documents which contains either programming or Java. So this is the multi keyword search. Now let's see the phrase search. Suppose you want to extract those documents which contains this phrase, programming Java. So how you can do? You need to put this phrase inside double quotes and press enter. So there is no record present because there is no document present which contains this phrase, programming Java. Let's remove this. Let's load our all documents. So let's take some data from here. Let's take this name of the book. I want to get all those documents which contains the Java programming phrase. So you can see how many hits? 3. So there are 3 documents present in the index which contains this phrase. You can see it is also being highlighted. Let's see programming 4 if any. Yeah, you can see 3. documents Java programming 4. In phrase search, Kibana does not convert this into token or split into two words. It performs the match of this exact phrase. But if you are not using the double quotes, it would convert or split into two words and then perform the search. Also, phrase search is also not case sensitive. Now let's see the wildcard query or wildcard search. In wildcard, you type the few starting letters like program and put the star at the end. It will fetch all those documents which is having any word starting with the program. So it has found the 15 document. You can see programming, programming, programming 1, programming 4, programming 3, programming 2. So this is the wildcard. Let's type the author. It is also not case sensitive. How many? 15. So author, you can see it is also getting highlighted. So this is the wildcard search. Now let's see the Boolean search. What is Boolean search? We use the or and operator, logical operator. Now I want to search those documents which contains the Java and TMH, both the words. You can see how many hits? 3. So there are 3 documents which contains both the word Java and TMH. You can see getting highlighted. You can also use the or. It will display those documents which contains either Java or TMH. You can see all the 15. And also this is not case sensitive. So this is how the Boolean query works. Now let's see the group query. Group query, we use the parenthesis or bracket. Suppose you want to get those documents which contains the Java and TMH keyword as well as programming 1 word as well as programming 1 word. There are 3 hits: Java and TMH and programming 1. You can see. You can also use the or here. Or you can also use the or. So as per your need, you can write the complex query also. So this is how the group query works. That's all for this session. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.